We've just dropped this wreath kit and it's such a cute one. You've got to grab one while supplies last. Once it sells out, you'll miss out. So check out how you can put it together. We're going to send everything to your door, starting with that oval wreath board from Unique in the Creek, and then all of the zip ties, the mesh, the ribbon, the sign, all of the accessories you need, and you'll be able to follow along with our YouTube tutorial in regular time. This is just the fast version to make your very own super cute wreath. Look at that elf coming together there in the two pieces and the wreath sign in the middle. So cute. It's all part of our wreath making system. We make it so fun and easy to decorate for the holidays, and this is our all-in-one wreath kit. We have new Christmas wreaths and different kits dropping every single week, so check it all out at uniqueinthecreek.com. Thanks to Jackie, who's showing us here how to put it together. So charming and cute. Grab one while supplies last. uniqueinthecreek.com.